subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Samsung Galaxy A22 5G is now official in the European market along with the 4G version, and both of them are different in terms of specifications and design as well. Talking about the specifications, the Galaxy A22 5G supports a large 6.6-inch Full HD Plus Infinity V display with 90Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, the phone is powered by unnamed octa-core 2.2 GHz processor, which is believed to be MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset. The smartphone packs with 4, 6 or 8 GB of RAM and 64 or 128 GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1 TB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Galaxy A22 5G features a triple camera setup and a squarish module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The triple-ray camera includes a 48-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, plus 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture and a 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has an 8-megapixel camera under the V-shaped notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with One UI Core 3.1 skin on top. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 15-watt fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with Dolby Atmos surrounding sound system for better audio experience. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 167.2 by 76.4 by 9 mm and it weighs around 203 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Samsung Galaxy A22 5G has been priced for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at €229, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at €249, and the details for the other storage options are yet to announce by the company. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the European market starting from July this year in grey, mint, violet and white color options. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy A22 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.